Guys, it's the day after the hurricane, guys. Nothing happened that much. Almost all my sugar cane fell to the ground. We used to have them all straight up, but now it looks like a pig pen in my house. My chicken's following me. Let me show you. What you doing, chicken? What you doing? What you doing? Okay, you wanna attack me? Attack me. I'm not even getting near you, okay? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, okay? Just that happened. Little pond right there. Little pond right there, and then my sugar cane fall down. As you can see. Let's go to the other side, as I said. Oh, here's my doggy. Where's my doggy? Looking so cute as always. How you doing, doggy? My two animals. But as always, we gotta go look at the other area. I have sugar cane. I have a ton of sugar cane, maybe over 100 pieces of sugar cane. And oh, my trees. Okay, my trees are okay. The sugar cane on this side is still damaged, and yeah, that fell down too. So that's technically all that happened. Nothing brutal. I'll see you later on in a stream. Peace out, guys.